What's up, guys? Thanks for joining another episode of Cars, Bikes, and Coffee. I am Kurt, and we are working on this 1973 Datsun 240Z. And what we're working on today is getting these fenders back on so it can look more like a Z. Now, the thing we need to do first is add some foam to the top points on the body, and that way we don't have metal-to-metal contact. So let's head to the desk, and I'll show you how we're going to do that. Stay tuned. So for this project, what we're going to need is some Weatherstrip tape, and we wanted to get it as close to about a 1/2 inch in height of the foam, and this is 5/16 by 3/4, and it's 10 feet long. So it's only 5/16, so it's almost a 1/2 inch. So we'll go ahead and give this a shot. The other thing that's important is Weatherstrip adhesive, and that even though this has a tape on it, it was advised from whenever using this to use the adhesive. So we've got some scissors, so let's head to the car. So the adhesive, of course, says to make sure your surface is clean, so we've done that. And we're going to be applying adhesive to this, and this point, and then also on the side piece. And we just want to allow that to sit until it's tacky. Alright, so we went ahead and did both sides, and it's a little bit of a warm day today here, so this got tacky pretty quick. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the foam. And these large tabs that you see here, these three, I'm going to do a double piece because it's only 3/4 of an inch wide. And then for this, I'll just do one strip. Now we need to install the stock gaskets that run along the outside. Now that we have those gaskets on, let's get some fenders going. Now let's get some bolts into these fenders. So now that we have all the bolts on the fenders just hand tight, now we're going to get the bumper on. We did put the lip on as well off camera, so let's see if we can get that going. Alright, now we want to go ahead and put the cowl on, and that's 4 screws and just fitting into these 3 tabs. So there we have it. So we've got the fenders on, we've got the bumper, the front lip, and even the cowl. We're going to leave the hood off and the side wings until we get the engine tuned and ready to go. So next things coming up are the battery box, and that's pretty much it. And that's going to finalize the build for the 1973 Datsun 240Z for now. So still look forward to the late 260Z coming. Not sure on the time frame and when we're going to start that one, but it's going to be soon, but we'll keep you updated. If there's something that you want to see from this build that I haven't shown or haven't gone through and it would be helpful, let me know in the comments below. So thanks again for watching. If you like what you see, consider subscribing, and have a good one.